So hello folks, I hope all are doing well. So in this video we will learn how to download Power BI Desktop in your system. So before starting I would request you to kindly subscribe my channel and share the content if you like. Okay, so we'll start proceeding. So there are two ways through which we can get the Power BI Desktop in our system. The very first step is to get Power BI Desktop from the Microsoft official store. So within the search bar, I've already opened the Microsoft Store in my system. So let me tell you how you can navigate through. So you can press the window button in your system. Then you can search with the name Store, and you have to click on the Microsoft Store, or you can click over here, and it will directly land you to the Microsoft Store official store. Within the search bar, you have to search Power BI. It will take slight time to search. So here you can see it says Power BI Desktop. So this is the application which you need to install in your system. Click on the open. It may take time in your system, so please be patient. So meanwhile, I would like to tell you the second way through which you can get the Power BI Desktop in your system. You can open any browser in your system. It could be Chrome or Microsoft Edge. You simply have to search Power BI, download. So if you are downloading Power BI from any unknown source like from web portal, please make sure that you are downloading the correct version of the Power BI. I'm talking about the bit version. Like if your system has 32-bit, please download the 32-bit version of Power BI Desktop. If your system is of 64-bit, make sure you download the 64-bit. So how you can check about the bit? So simply search setting. Within the setting, navigate to system. Click on the system here. So scroll a bit and there's a option says about. Click on that and it will show you the bit version of your system. So for mine it is 64-bit. So it says installed. So after getting installed, it will the option earlier which was to install will change into open. So here you can see the option we are getting is open. So once the Power BI Desktop is installed in your system, you can simply click on the option open option here. It seems it is not installed into our system yet. So the option which is highlighting here, preparing to download, getting files ready. Once this file is downloaded into your system, it will automatically install, and after installing you can directly use your Power BI system. So I'll recommend you to download this Power BI Desktop from the Microsoft Store only. So you don't. The reason why I'm saying this is you don't need to do any additional step for that. So once the Power BI installed into your system, you can simply click on the open button, and it will land you to this layout, this option, where you can click on the blank report if you want to create any report. So here you can start. I'll simply close this for now. So now the Power BI is installed into your system successfully. Now you can create interactive dashboard into your system for any with the help of any report. So that's all in this video, guys. So I hope you like this content and do share with your colleagues and friends. Thank you for watching.